How to add emoji or icons on Facebook profile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji or icons on your Facebook profile. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Facebook app itself, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Facebook application is up to date. If not, just hit the update button so that you will have the latest features and the latest bug fixes within the Facebook app. After you have made sure of that, just head on and open the Facebook app right here. And if you're from the home page or from any other page, just click on this menu icon at the bottom right hand corner so that you can access your profile. Just click on your profile right here to see your profile. And as you can see, I have currently added emoji or icons on my Facebook profile. So to actually do that, just click on your edit profile option right here. Scroll down a bit and you can see edit beside the link section. Just click on edit and you can add a social link. So this is where we can actually add the emoji or icons you want. So just click on add a social link. So you can choose any platform you want. So I suggest choosing a platform that you don't actually have an account in. So I'm just going to choose this OK icon right here, or the OK platform I mean, and I'm just going to type in emoji or icons instead of an actual username. So I'm just going to add random emojis right here and just tap anywhere on the screen so that it will be added as a social link. Just click on save right here once you have set all that up. And once we click back and reload our profile, you should see the emoji or icons in your Facebook profile. If you don't want that, you can also go back to edit profile and add the emojis inside your bio right here. Just click on add and you can also type in emojis right here and just click on save once you have added all your favorite emojis or icons. And that will also show within your Facebook profile. So that is how you can basically add emoji or icons on your Facebook profile. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.